there are certain people who stress us out, right? They have too many demands, their nature does not gel with us, they have a very negative way of talking. There are some who are always trying to put you down, okay? So what you need to do is avoid these people, avoid them as far as possible, okay? It's okay if somebody wants to be with you and you know that person is invariably going to put you down. Why do you need to be with that person? Is there any necessity? It's not. So avoid that person, make some excuse, find something better to do during that time instead of being with that person. So automatically it's not just with people, even situations, places, you know, avoid them. Thoughts, if certain thoughts are making you stressful, avoid those thoughts, think of happy thoughts. So avoid any stressful person, situation, thought or anything which is stressful, just avoid it totally and you will be able to live a really stress-free life. There are two ways in which people work. First are the people who like to avoid problems. I am not saying it's good or bad, these are just the two ways in which people operate. They want to avoid the effects of stress, physical, physiological, emotional, behavioral, mental, everything. This is what they want to avoid. So that gives them the strength to avoid, to overcome stress. The second is when a person feels that if I do overcome stress, I will have a happier life, I will be more in control, I will be confident, I will be able to achieve and I will be in a different state altogether, mental, physiological, emotional state altogether, which will be so great. This is moving towards the positive effects of overcoming stress. So whichever one suits you, you look into those aspects, but take a step to get out of the stressful situation.